In this video, I want to show you 3 types of income that you should pay attention to. Welcome to my video. If this is your first time of joining this channel, this is the Blessed Man. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you can get all the updates we are giving on this channel and all the information we are giving in this channel. Make sure you like this video, comment on it, and share it to your friends. Right. So welcome back. I want to share with you today 3 types of income that you should always pay attention to if you want to survive in this space, if you want to make money, if you want to build wealth. There are 3 types of income you have to consider. You must always work towards or finding yourself in one aspect of this income, and the number 1 of them is investment income. All right, investment income are income that you get from as a proceed of a capital that you invested in a particular business. It could be any type of business, it could be online, it could be offline, but you have staked your money for the money to increase in value. That becomes you put in your capital, you invest your money. Let's say you buy stock, for example, you use $100, you use whatever amount you want to buy stock, right? And then probably you bought the stock at the price of $10 per one or $1 per one, and so on. Now, after some times, when this stock move up in value, let's say the stock is right now $50 per one. That's an investment. $50 minus $10 or $1 that you bought it, that becomes your increase or whatever profits that you have made for investing that particular money. Right? In cryptocurrency, you can invest in tokens, you can invest in coins, just buy them and give them some time for the coin to appreciate in value, and then you have to be able to sell it. All right, there are different types of businesses all over the world, all over the internet space, all over offline, wherever you are, that you can actually invest your money. All that is required is that you should be able to do your research very well. When you research businesses and research whatever you are doing, you will be able to invest wisely. So it's good for you to understand the concept of investment income. It's very, very important. One thing about investment income is that you can actually put your money to work for you while you are doing other things that you are doing. You don't need to be actively there for you to make that money, right? So that is one thing that you should understand, how this investment income work. It is your money working for you, right? That's one thing that investment income will actually do for you. Second type of income you need to also look at and consider or know is what we call active income. All right, active income are this income that you get from your effort. Now you have a skill, for example, or you are doing a particular business. When you are doing this business, you get involved, you are the one who will, okay, let me use skills, for example. Let's use skills, for example. Now you have a skill, you are a designer, for example. Now, for you to make money, you have to bring out your time and then design. You have to do the designing yourself. If it is a business, you have to be in that business for the business to make money. If it is you have a shop or a grocery or whatsoever, you have to go there. You have to be there. You open your shop, you'll be able to sell for you to make money. So active. All right, this active income also, the people who are working, employees, come under this category. They pay you because of your time, they pay you because you are working, they pay you because you have given somebody your time, and at the end of the day, maybe per hour, per week, or per month, or per day, they have to pay you money. That is called active income. All right, now in network marketing, active income are this income that you get from the people you are recruiting, you are referring. Right? Let's say you have a system like magnet ecosystem whereby they pay you 40% partnership or leadership bonus, meaning that each and every one that you refer to the system, you're going to get this 40% of whatever investment they're making in the ecosystem. What it means is that every single person that you market, you talk to about magnets that comes in, you get 40%. That's active income. Why? Because if you stop investing, sorry, if you stop referring people or you stop doing the business, this income will cease. It's active. You have to be involved. Your time needs to be involved, and everything about you need to be involved. You have to be healthy also to be able to earn active income. And then finally, guys, the last type of income you need to know about is what we call passive income. All right. Passive income are the income that you get without actively being involved or without actively be the one to give your time or your energy for you to be able to get that. All right, so let me give you an example. For example, somebody that has a company, you have been able to build a company, you build a system, people are now working for you, right? And whether you are in the office or not, every day you get money. It's passive income. Is another level of investment. You have invested money and you are not earning passively from that particular. But the difference between investment income and passive income is that investment income is, it may not come daily. Let's say you invested this money and then this money has grown to let's say 100%, 200%, 500% over a period of time. But it becomes passive. Your investment becomes passive if it's earning money for you, maybe per hour basis, on daily basis, weekly, monthly, without you being involved. So you can have a company, you can build a business whereby people are now working for you and generating money for you on every single day or every single month or every single week without you actually being there. That is passive. All right. Now, in the network marketing and smart contract businesses, passive income are this income you get from the work of those that you have marketed. Now, the work of people who are your partners in this business. For example, a magnet ecosystem, your direct partners, all the people you have marketed, they have people that they are all marketing, and therefore whatever income you are going to pay, you are going to get from the people they are marketing becomes passive. Because you can be, for instance, you are in Nigeria, all right, and somebody is in US in your team and the person is doing some things and you're making money from whatever that person is actually doing over there. You don't know the person, you don't even need to know the person. That is why it is called passive income. You have done the initial job, which is talk to somebody who is an active person or your direct partner. And this your direct partner now talks to another person who talks to another person. This money continues, you continue to enjoy them as long as this your network continues to expand. And that's why it is very, very awesome for you to earn passive income. Guys, you have seen it from me now. I've given you 3 types of income that you should focus on. One is investment income, second is active income, and then the third one is passive income. If you got value from this video, make sure you share it to your people, share it to your friends and your well-wishers, wherever. Just share it anywhere you want, and then make sure you turn on the bell notification icon each time we drop a video. You will be able to see this video. Now, smarter way to make this money. Let me just show you the smarter way. The smarter way to make this money is to find a system, a platform, an ecosystem that combines these 3 types of earning. All right, combines this type of earning: investment income, passive income, and then active income. If you have a system that combines these 2, that's a top notch. You are going to make a lot of money, meaning that you will enjoy this type of 3 types of income in one particular ecosystem. And then I want to tell you that magnet ecosystem is one system that don't just have these 3 types of income. They have different types of other income, but these 3 are very prominent, right? You have investment income, whereby you are going to invest in some assets and you make some money, right? They have also active income. Like I mentioned in the example, if you refer somebody, you have 40% in program 1, you also have 20% in program 2, you have 5% in program 3, all combined together. Everyone, even if you have 1 million persons that you refer to the ecosystem, you're going to earn this money for yourself. Now, passively, you know why Magnet will pay you up to your 10th generations. 10th generation means you can be here in Ghana, you can be here in Nigeria, and earn more for people who are in US, who are in Italy, who are in South Africa, anywhere around the world. Start earning money from them without you being there or knowing what they are doing. So that is why you need to join Magnet ecosystem. All right, you need to join it right today. If you have not joined Magnet, make sure you go to the description of this video, find a link to Magnet, and then join. Or you can contact me, all right, from the description also, so that I can mentor you and teach you how to make money from the Magnet ecosystem. One more time, welcome to my channel. This is the Blessed Man. I'll see you in my next video.